In this video and the three subsequent videos, we're going to learn about the Field Properties dialog box. You can access this box by clicking on a field and right-clicking and go to Field Properties, and it opens this Field Properties dialog box. In this video, we're going to talk about the Type tab of this dialog box, and in subsequent videos we'll talk about the layout, the overflow, and the additional tabs. This dialog field properties box can also be accessed from the toolbar by clicking on the hand with the ruler, what appears to be a ruler underneath it, that button, and it will open up the field properties box as long as you have selected a field. So under the Type tab of the Field Properties box, you get the field types listed that you can choose from. So you've got Edit, Checkbox, Resource Control. Edit fields can have answers entered directly during the assembly. Checkbox fields allow the user to click to select one or more options in a list, and the result in the document is usually some character like an X or a check mark. The resource fields are uneditable during assembly and are used to give the user access to further information. So if you wanted to put a note in the form template for the user, you could do so using a resource field. And control fields are non-printing fields that can be used to control the assembly of the form. Over on the right, we have a display type that you can choose from: text, image, barcodes, strike through, and circled. So text will create a field that would display a text answer. An image allows you to display an image, and this image could be decided by a multiple choice question during the assembly. But this is the way you would insert a graphic into the form template. The barcode, HotDocs will display the answer in the form of a barcode, and strike through allows the user to strike out the incorrect option from the underlying static text. So usually we would group that with a multiple choice variable, and then if you select one answer, then the other answer will be stricken out. And circled, this field allows the user to circle the correct option from the underlying static text. So this is also used with either true-false variables or multiple choice variables to allow a circle to come into the document around a correct answer. Okay, so you can also control the font of the field by clicking on the font button. Clicking on that, you'll see that you can select the font style, and the size for this particular field. And many of these other options are similar to what you would do in like a Word document to control the font, strike out, underline, and so forth. To the right of that is a checkbox for indicating that it's a non-printing field. So if, for example, you wanted to have an answer come in, but then you didn't want to print it out on the document, then you would check that box. And then we have a field where we put the variable that's going to be assigned to this place on the document, a condition field, a wizard field, and an answer text field to test to see if the answers would come in correctly. The condition field and the wizard field, we'll have other videos talking about those in particular, and we'll also get to the variable field as well in a subsequent video. But that is the overview of the Type tab of the Field Properties dialog box.